And after about a 10-minute drive, we're here at Legends Resto and Lounge. I mean, they have a lot of food, a lot of different cuisines, but we're going Chinese, Guyanese, right?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too, bro. I know. We were full and now we're hungry. This always happens to me.
Rafi, nice to meet you.
David, pleasure. All right, so what are we doing?
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
A little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything.
Restaurant, lounge, entertainment.
Perfect. So I'm excited for some noodles, some rice, maybe some pepper shrimp.
There you go.
Oh, this is gonna be good. We're making some fried rices.
Fried rice.
So we're gonna have like a pineapple fried rice, say it's like their best seller. Pepper shrimp. We're gonna get like some lau mein, some noodle dish, and then roast lamb, right? Roast lamb. All right, let's go. My man.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Good, good.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
Guyanese.
Guyanese. Mix.
If you guys don't know, I'm going to Guyana in July. Going to Georgetown and then to the interior. And right here we have Chris.
Right.
Ready to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when you're ready.
All right.
So what are you doing there?
So now we're gonna start to just get all the ingredients together. All the meat first.
This is the pineapple fried rice, but it's mixed. So you have some shrimp, you have some chicken.
We got the pork.
And pork as well. Okay, got it. Great.
Yeah. So now we're gonna wait until it gets cooked all the way through. Then before we.
I mean, it already smells good, man.
So then we're gonna add all our vegetables into it. Long beans, carrots, and onion. So like that cooked at least like for a minute too. You want to take all the juice out of the pineapple, you know. Put the egg inside.
Oh yeah, you need that nice egg, huh?
Yeah, so like that.
That's the glue.
Yeah, that's
And then next up, we just got rice, right?
yeah. So once this is cooked all the way through, then you put the rice in. That are all rice, fried rice, all seasoned already.
All seasoned,
Yeah,
perfect.
all seasoned, so you don't have to put.
That looks so good, man. You guys know what I love about like that part of the Caribbean? Guyana, Suriname, Trinidad, that mix, that Indian, Chinese fusion is something so different. You'll never see it anywhere else on earth. And they perfected it. Look at this rice dish. Dude, it smells fantastic. Woo!
That's the finished product.
That's it?
Ready to serve.
And it's short grain rice, right?
This is how we try to plate it. Here. Now we try to plate it, and then we obviously we finish. We just garnish cabbage, cilantro, and some shallot, and that's our finished product.
And that's it. Dish number one. Done.
This is our own sauce for the fried rice. And this is for the lau mein. And this is for the pepper shrimp.
It's amazing. I love it.
Yeah, we're going in with the lamb fried rice now.
Lamb fried rice?
That's one of our big seller also.
My favorite. This is my favorite.
This is your favorite?
It's my favorite.
The lamb fried rice?
You want to make sure you get everything in there.
Woo!
You don't want to keep it too long on the wok because it burns.
Yeah, it's too hot, right?
Right. So
That wok is like scorched. I mean, this is the secret of like Chinese dishes is this wok. This wok has to be on fire. I mean, if you take the wok off, you see the fire below it. It's like flying out. It's crazy.
You're right, jumping out the pot.
You know, in the last dish, one of them hit me in the face.
Yes. So if you put your frying other stuff, you will see it jumping around all over the place. And this is how we try to plate it. This is your lamb fried rice.
Same thing with the plate.
Yes, so we always try to plate it a little differently. And then you garnish. A lot of people, I guess the cabbage is a bit best seller for them.
I mean, cabbage is nice and crunchy. What are you doing next?
Now we're gonna do the lau mein.
Lau mein. Doing some noodles.
Yeah.
Yes.
Beef lau mein here, so obviously you want to put the beef in first to cook at least all of it through, like 3/4 way, and then once it's cooked, then you put your veggie with it, 90% through. Then you want to add the garlic, a little garlic in it, flavor. So that's cooked like for 30 seconds. Lau mein was already prepared and warm, and then you throw that in.
Woo! Oh my gosh.
And then you get our
Oh, that's what we need. That sauce.
our homemade sauce.
Oh yes.
This is our homemade sauce.
Yes, sir.
You want base and all around.
How good that looks.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh gosh, this is gonna be amazing.
And obviously the same way we plate it.
Same way.
Yes.
Always in a bowl and then flipped onto the plate.
Yes, that's it.
I like it. Because it stays clean, not messy.
Right. Yes. And then plate. Turn over evenly. Just make sure it stays there. The same garnish goes in it. Little cabbage. Green. And the scallion.
Dude, these noodles look amazing. These noodles look too good.
I'm a fried rice man, but
You know what? I love fried rice, but I have so many rice dishes in Asia, Middle East. I love my noodles, man.
yeah.
Noodles.
All right.
Oh god, this is gonna be good.
Next to go, we're gonna do a pepper lamb.
Pepper lamb.
Yeah, pepper lamb time. Oh, that's our pepper lamb. 1/4 should be cooked. A little ginger. This pepper lamb, you want to
Throw peppers.
pepper it in.
So pepper lamb, it's not spicy though, right?
So you can make it a request.
Okay.
Yes, but this is
Let's make it a little spicy.
go ahead.
A little spicy.
spicy.
A little bit. I love my lamb spicy. Oh, right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, chili flakes. Oh,
We
nice.
use chili flakes, and we also have our own
Pepper.
pepper. If it's not hot enough, you give you the size.
Yeah, you need that garlic.
And it's Italian.
Guys, this is intense out here. Oh, yes, that sauce. Oh.
We do our homemade sauce.
Oh, yes.
Once you reduce down,
Done.
and then we plate.
You know what I love about it? It reminds me of every Chinese dish.
Enough green. Yeah. And that's how we will serve that.
Oh my gosh, that looks phenomenal.
We do our famous pepper shrimp. One of our biggest sellers.
Oh, it's biggest seller.
Entree and an appetizer. This color, flavor. Key ingredients, ginger.
Ginger's key ingredient. Oh man. Garlic, ginger. It's all good.
This is before you put our homemade sauce. You want to make sure everything cooked good.
Of course.
Because once the sauce goes in, you get 30 seconds.
That's it.
You're all good. We get a lot of requests for make it very soft.
Very saucy?
Yes.
I'm a huge sauce guy, man. I need sauce with everything. And now I need spice with everything.
That's right.
I just like, through the years of traveling,
Right.
if it's no spicy, I don't eat it.
Very good.
No.
So
Oh, look at that.
you just base it.
Yeah, let it sit for a little bit, let it simmer, right?
That's right. Here we go. And this is the way you plate this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that sauce has gotten nice and thick.
And as you can see, this would be one of our regular portion. For
Oh yeah, regular portion?
yes, for artists.
Oh.
This would be one of our
Dude, it
portions.
smells like I'm in China right now.
Yeah.
So good.
As you can see, the portion is not as small either. So
No, it's not small. This is like for two people.
yeah, this is one of the biggest sellers also, or roast pork.
Roast pork.
Yeah. So there you go.
Dude, I thought we were done.
Well, we'll give you a last surprise here.
I mean, he's like, you have to try this.
I love the roast pork.
The roast pork? Oh, it looks phenomenal. And I love the pork because it's nice and red on the outside. And I just added some onions.
We add our scallion. Then after the last, the garlic is always a big flavor.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
One of our homemade sauce again.
Woo! Look at that fire. Oh my gosh. Don't let it hit me. I almost lost my eyebrows here. Man, this dish looks amazing. This dish looks amazing.
This also has been ordered as an appetizer and also as a main course. So they use white rice or beans and rice or fried rice with this. And also this is what one of our regular portion what we would be serving.
Got it. Always garnishings, right?
Yes, you have.
I mean, it makes it look pretty, but also it tastes better, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Chris.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Chris, right?
Yes.
I got it right.
Yes.
Perfect. Awesome. I'm excited. We got 6 dishes. We have rice, noodles.
We came for
have
3.
shrimp, pork. I know. You're the man, dude. You're the man. Thank you so much. Let's do it. My man, this is too much food. This is epic. So we got pineapple fried rice. We have the lamb fried rice, pepper shrimp, roasted pork, pepper lamb, and then the lau mein. So how do we start, dude? I mean, let's get a little bit of everything, right?
Yeah, that's it.
What fried rice did you just serve yourself?
The pineapple fried rice, and on the side, we're gonna take some of that roast pork,
And then some shrimp.
some shrimps, pepper, some onion, a couple shrimps.
I am so excited. Let's do this, bro. I'm going with the pork.
Got some pepper over here.
Some pepper too?
Yeah, the pork. The sauce.
That sauce, man. Dude, what's crazy is that it reminds me of China. It's straight up, you know? Wow, everything. The flavors, the pastiness of that sauce.
Trying some rice.
Oh, this pineapple fried rice? What? It's like the juices of the pineapple have like gone through, like infused into the rice, right?
And then they have their famous pepper.
Oh yeah. Voila, huh? Obviously, I haven't been to Guyana, but you have Suriname, you have Venezuela, you have Trinidad, all right there.
All right
you know,
there.
so the mix, the combinations are
Different spices.
different spices. Wow, man. Can't wait for the pepper.
Awesome. Pepper makes it, sets it.
It's such a different tone here, right? Gives it some funk.
For the people that don't eat pineapple on pizza, pineapple on fried rice.
Pineapple's so good. No, I love pineapple on pizza. That's like Hawaiian style, right? The shrimp. It's the best thing on this plate. Oh wow.
Pepper.
And the pepper's not too spicy. Oh, I love the richness of the sauce. And the sauce, you just start mixing it in with the rice, right?
Yep.
The shrimp are too good though. The massive shrimp.
Juicy too.
Yeah. Come here a lot. It's a legend.
All the time. The lamb fried rice is my favorite. The duck, the shrimps.
I love that though because
pork.
I've never seen a lamb fried rice in my life.
Awesome.
The roast pork. Dude, it's tender. It's sweet.
And tangy. With the pepper.
This place is so good. When you said legends, I was like, legends. What a stellar plate, huh? And we still have 3 more?
We got some lau mein here. And we have the beef.
Okay, lau mein.
The beef lau mein.
Beef lau mein.
Try some of that.
Not too much, man. Too much starch, you will fill up so fast.
Pepper lamb, almost like the pepper shrimp we had. But now with lamb. Piece of lamb.
Not too little.
So you want a red pepper here? Here's a red pepper.
All right, bro. I think I'm gonna try the lamb. Right?
Pepper lamb. Pepper lamb.
It looks too good.
Almost like the pork.
Almost like the pork. I mean, it's not too spicy.
No.
No, it's just way more saucy. For all the peppers. Super crunchy.
And this is the
beef, the lo mein?
beef lau mein.
Beef right here. I love lo mein. Noodles all day, man.
Definitely tastes different than Chinese.
On twist, right?
Yeah.
Guys, we have one more dish, the lamb fried rice right here. It like almost flew off. A little bite.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
This is your favorite, right?
My favorite, this or the lamb lau mein.
Lamb, I can't wait because I've never had a lamb fried rice in my life. All right, so let's try this lamb fried rice.
The lamb fried rice.
Your favorite, right?
Yes.
Cheers, man.
Different.
So different. That meatiness. The egg. I love a small grain rice, but dude, the sauce. Whatever they're putting in here, sauce. What is in that sauce? My man here can't
Yeah.
He has no stamina.
Awesome.
Oh man, the sauces. Like no real crazy spice. It's just nice and like creamy.
Like level.
Like the glaziness to it, right? Super saucy. Oh man, lamb all day.
Put you on twice already for today.
Dude, if this is how it is in Guyana, I'm gonna gain a lot of weight. Right? You ready? Not gonna finish up?
I'm gonna pack it and go.
Pack it and go.
Pack it and go. One more of that lamb though.
You know, I love all the pepper dishes, the roast pork, but I think what makes this place are the but the fried rice dishes. He was gonna take this all home to his family. I'm taking it home. Good?
Yeah. Cool.
My man, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Come in.
Thank you. My man, thank you. For sure. Guys, come to Legends. And you know what? They got some legends over there. They got Pele, you have Cristiano. Well, he's not done yet.
No.
He's not done yet. Guys, thank you.
Take care, man.
Thank you. Take care. Fool?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. If you were to tell me we were done, I'll be done. What do I say? I'm like food drunk. Bye bye. You guys look good. You guys look good. I love it. Take care. Take care. Bye.